Bakit mas magaan mag-trade pag malinis ang platform mo?
Attention humans, important system notification. My programming requires I deliver this disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Trade at your own risk. Past performance does not guarantee future results.
Alam mo ba minsan na hindi ikaw ang problema sa trading mo, kundi yung platform na gamit mo. Kung cluttered ang interface, delay ang execution, at mahirap intindihin ang charting, malaki ang epekto niyan sa resulta mo. Save mo tong video na to para pag pipili ka ng broker, may guide ka. Let's break it down. Clarity leads to better trades. Sabi nga nila, clarity equals confidence. Kapag malinaw ang chart mo, mabilis mong makikita ang patterns. Support, resistance, trend direction, volume spikes. Guys, hindi mo na kailangan mag-zoom in ng paulit-ulit para lang malaman kung saan ka mag-e-entry. Ganito, ang trading hindi lang numbers game. Decision-making game din to. And decision-making relies on visuals. Pag magulo yung interface ng chart mo, mas mahirap magtiwala dun sa gagawin mong desisyon or entry sa trade. Kung cluttered ang screen mo, kung bawat indicator nakapatong sa isa't isa, mas mabilis kang mapapagod at madideplete ang focus mo. Ang worst pa niyan, magdadoubt ka sa sarili mo kahit na tama yung setup mo. Number 2, faster execution saves capital. Lalo na kung scalper or intraday trader ka, seconds matter. Kapag delayed ang feed mo, even a few milliseconds, pwede ka nang late pumasok or lumabas too late. At sa sobrang volatile ng market, di biro ang epekto niyan. A good platform should give you real-time price, smooth execution flow, and reliable stop loss and take profit triggers. Sabi nga nila, if you're using a slow platform, you're basically driving a sports car with flat tires. Number 3, user-friendly design helps beginners to learn faster. Guys, hindi mo kailangan maging tech wizard para matuto ka mag-trade. Pero madaming beginners ang natatakot mag-open ng broker application kasi ang daming buttons na pipindutin. Ang gulo ng layout tapos wala pang guidance. That's why a clean platform matters. Mas madaling matutunan ng indicators, mas mabilis maintindihan ang candlestick behavior, mas mataas ang retention rate ng mga bago sa trading. Kapag simple ang platform, hindi nakaka-intimidate. You spend more time learning trading, not learning how to use the app. Mas makakapag-focus ka sa learning curve ng trading, hindi sa learning curve ng mismong trading application. Kaya isa sa mga ginagamit ko ngayon ang Markets for You application. At kung bago ka pa lang sa trade or experienced trader ka na, highly recommend ko siyang subukan mo. Bakit? Madaling i-navigate kahit first time mong mag-trade. Seamless charting tools, MA, RSI, Bollinger Bands, at marami pang iba, built-in na. Fast deposits and withdrawals, pwede GCash, e-wallets, and bank transfer. Available sa mobile and desktop. And syempre, other top trader PH. So local support is quick and reliable. Whether you're trading forex, crypto, indices, Markets for You gives you speed without stress. Hindi to tulad ng ibang brokers na parang Windows 98 ang itsura. This one actually makes trading feel modern and smooth. Kung gusto mo naman na explore ang platform nila, andyan yung link sa baba. And if you have questions about trading, comment mo lang sa baba at sasagutin natin yan. This is Topi, founder of Top Trader Community Philippines. Follow for more.